This is Summer of Love, a time when music, fashion, and culture are truly at their most vibrant and carefree.
Hey Sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to unbox KatieGirl Summer of Love Dress Doll. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This doll is from the collection KatieGirl in 1960 by JHDfashiondoll brand last 2023. Together with Fly With Me doll and The Teacher in the House. This side of the box, you will find the accessories that comes with this doll. And this doll comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 164 out of 530. In this side of the box, you will find the acrylic base of the doll's stand. Now, it's about time to take her out of the box. And now she's here! I love all the intricate details of her crop top and her pants with exaggerated ruffles down to her lower legs. That ruffles balance the hourglass body and with a good choice of color that matches her skin tone. This doll has the body type of KatieGirl body with skin tone of Latin and a hair color of brown with face mold of Gloria and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the skin tone that almost match our KatieGirl body. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. 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 Show me love, show me life, show me love, this is all we got.
Here's the complete look of KatieGirl Summer of Love dress doll.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
This summer night, this summer night, this summer night.
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.